Who do the Jets play? They play Denver. What is Denver famous for? They're famous for the cheeseburger. Yep, that's what the internet said. So guess what we're making today? We're making a cheeseburger. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. The New York Jets are playing the Denver Broncos. And they say cheeseburgers was born in Denver, Colorado. So we got cheese, we got lettuce, we got tomatoes, we got bread, and we got beef. We got wagyu beef that we got from Costco. So I'll be right back after we get our patties made up and be back. All right, guys, so we're going to get started with this wagyu. We got this from Costco. Guys, I just realized you got to kind of move fast with this because, it starts to like melt. The fat starts to melt and it starts to get sticky. So should we make 2 burgers or 1 burger with 2 patties? I think I'm going to go with the 1 burger with 2 patties. So this is a 16-ounce package. So I'm going to go with 2 4-ounce burgers. I'm just going to guess it. I'm not going to weigh it out or anything. So I'm going to say those are probably about 4 ounces each. So we're going to go ahead and put these on the side. We'll make another burger later. So we're just going to smash these down just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and get ready to season this up with some salt. All right, so here comes the salt. I'm only going to salt one side, and that's enough salt for us to intake for the day. So I'm going to heat up the grill. We're going to toast up our buns because we want to toast the buns first. We don't want to be toasting them after because we're going to use 1 pan. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, real quick. I'm going to put some mayo on our bun. Now, mayo is just the fat. So instead of using like butter, it's going to toast these buns up just real nice. Pretty sure you've seen that on the internet already. Just going to use mayonnaise. Down we go with the bread. And the toasting the buns also going to help us protect the bread, not get soggy. We don't want to flatten them too much, right? Because then our buns won't be nice and puffy around. That's perfect, right? You would say that's perfect, right? I'd say that's pretty good. Look at that. I'm going to put this to the side. Let's take a look at this again. Guys, that's perfect, right? Nice. Nice. All right, so now we're going to move on to the burgers. Let's go down with a little bit of avocado oil. I'm starting to see smoke emerge just a little bit. That's enough avocado oil. All right, guys, our pan is smoking hot, and I don't have a fancy smasher or hamburger smasher. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the salt side down, put down a piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to grab a pot, and I'm going to press down. That should be good. Boom, we got a smash burger. We're going to do that one more time. All right, let's just push down on this side over here a little bit more. All right, guys, we're going to let this go for about, 3 minutes, I would say. I'm just going to use my own internal. I'm not going to use a timer. And when I think it's done, I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Or I should say I shouldn't have flipped them over. All right, so we're going to give this a flip now. Nice. We're going to go back to our pan. Give these a nice smash. All right, guys, so now we're going to go down with the cheese. We got 1 layer of cheese. Then we're going to go on top with a patty. And then down with some more cheese. 1 more layer of cheese on the top. All right, guys, let me reposition you. All right, guys, so we got our bread down. Now, I'm going to go down with a quick bed of lettuce, right? Go down with a quick bed of lettuce here. So 2 beds of lettuce. Let's cut this off so it looks nice, and we're going to go down with our cheese. We're going to go down with our burger. And we're going to go on top with our tomato. And I like double side mayo on my bread. And guys, this is it. We got a burger. We got an all-American cheeseburger. This is it. Now, you could go with some onions, right? You could go with maybe some mushrooms, some cream cheese, but this is it. All-American cheeseburger. Yep, and that's it. Easy schmeezy. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.